Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Public APIs, a massive, curated directory of free APIs for almost any use case imaginable. This repository is a goldmine for developers, eliminating the endless hunt for data sources and services to power your next application. We'll explore why this simple list has become an essential tool for hundreds of thousands of developers. What if one of the most valuable resources for developers building modern apps wasn't a new framework or library, but a single text file on GitHub? That's not a hypothetical scenario. It's a project called Public APIs, a meticulously curated list that has become an essential tool for creators all over the world. So, what is it exactly? The Public APIs project is a massive, community-maintained catalog of free application programming interfaces. It solves a huge, time-consuming problem for developers: finding and vetting external data sources. The project is managed by the Public APIs organization, and its popularity is staggering. It has accumulated 423,000 stars, with nearly 1,000 more added just today. The fork count is over 46,000, which shows just how many people are using and contributing to it. And all of this is for a project whose maintenance scripts are written primarily in Python. Developers are always looking to integrate external data and services, whether it's for stock prices or just fun cat photos. Before this project existed, finding a good, free API was like a digital scavenger hunt. It meant digging through endless blog posts, forums, and often outdated articles. And after all that searching, each potential service still needed to be manually checked for its technical details, a really tedious and repetitive process. Public APIs cuts through all that noise. It tackles this fragmentation by offering a single, reliable source. Its unique angle isn't building a new platform, but simply organizing existing information with the critical metadata developers need, saving them countless hours of research. The project's design philosophy is beautifully simple: treat data as code. Its core asset isn't a complex application, but a single MDCIM file. This file serves as both a human-readable directory and a machine-parsable database. But the real magic is in the automated quality assurance pipeline, which is all driven by Python scripts. Think of it as a digital library with a couple of automated librarians. The first librarian is a script that enforces strict formatting. It makes sure every category is alphabetized, which makes discovery easier and reduces conflicts when people contribute. This script also validates the data schema, ensuring every API entry has crucial details like its authentication method, HTTPS support, and CORS status. The second librarian has the toughest job: link validation. To check thousands of URLs without grinding to a halt, the system uses an asynchronous approach. This most likely involves Python's asyncio and AyoATP libraries. It fires off thousands of lightweight network requests at the same time, efficiently checking that every single API link is still live. The system even has sophisticated error handling, using things like request timeouts and retries to tell the difference between a truly dead link and a server that's just temporarily down. This automated verification is the technical foundation that makes a list this massive, both manageable and trustworthy. So, how is this used in the real world? The applications are incredibly broad and practical. A developer building a new prototype can instantly find and integrate a weather API or a geocoding service, which speeds up their proof of concept dramatically. Students and coding beginners use it as a real-world sandbox to practice API integration, all without needing to sign up for expensive paid services. Hackathon teams depend on it to find unique data sources that can spark innovative ideas, especially when they're working against the clock. Best of all, getting started is completely effortless. There's no installation or complex setup. The entire catalog is just a browsable web page on GitHub, so the barrier to entry is practically zero. But for all its usefulness, the project does face some real challenges. Relying on a single text file as a database could become a problem as it gets bigger, leading to maintenance bottlenecks and merge conflicts. The automated link checker is smart, but it can only provide a surface-level check. An API endpoint might respond that it's live, but it could still be functionally broken. On top of that, the project's health is completely dependent on its community. If people stop contributing, the list will slowly become less accurate. And finally, the project's value could be tested as it tries to balance being a pure public good with the potential for commercial sponsorship. In an ecosystem overflowing with complex platforms, public APIs stands out because of its radical simplicity. It's a powerful testament to the value of community-driven curation. It proves that sometimes the most valuable tool isn't more software, but simply well-organized, accessible information. By making that information available to everyone, it truly democratizes access to data and empowers creators everywhere.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.